Hi, this is Auntie, and today we're here to talk about the Charity Finder. The Charity Finder on linebrand.com is a resource that allows you to connect with charities that are local, national, and international that use knitting and crocheting as a way to give back to the communities. And it's a really great way for you to connect with other people who are passionate about the causes that you're interested in. It's also a reason that we've started a Charity of the Month feature in our weekly newsletter, which is another way for you to find out about places that you can donate.
If you want to see the archives of our Charity of the Month features, simply put your cursor over the Community tab at linebrand.com and select the Favorite Articles option. This is where you can find the newsletter articles, including all of our charity features. Click on an article title if you want to learn more about a specific organization. Now let's go over how to use the Charity Connection search. First, if you already know the name of the organization you'd like to work with, you can type the name into the Search for an Organization box. Don't worry if you can't remember the full name of the organization. You can search by a partial name, or you can search by area of interest. Something specific to donate, such as blankets, or if there is a special cause close to your heart, like children or cancer patients, you can type those keywords into the area of interest search box. This will allow you to find charities focusing on those areas or projects that you're interested in. You can also search by location, so that if you want to donate locally or to a particular international location, you can. One more advantage of this is that if shipping costs for your donations are a concern for you, you can select only charities within a certain mile range. The Charity Connection is also a place where you can list and promote your own charity organization if it's not already listed. Simply click the Register a Group button, fill out the simple form, and within a few days, our editors will make sure that your charity is up and available for other Lion Brand fans to find.
For Lion Brand, charity is such an important part of everything that we do that we just want to make sure that you know about this great resource so that you can also participate in giving back. To use the Charity Finder or to sign up for the Lion Brand newsletter and get that monthly charity feature, go to linebrand.com.